I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. This is the second time I've worked on this Royce Continental. I've veneered the door cappings, but now I've got to replace a very thin strip to put the new crossbanding in. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. You're going to need a chisel, some safety glasses, and keep your hands out of the way of the chisel. Don't put your hands in front. Okay, what we do is we lift one end of the veneer, and then you slowly, can be a little bit difficult sometimes. You just take your time, don't rush it. If it's getting a little bit stuck, just take your time. There you go. Like I said, it's all about taking your time. Okay, as I was saying, it's a little bit difficult and it can stick really tough to the wood underneath, which that's what it's supposed to do. Just take your time. Hopefully it's going to come off. There we go. If you rush this, you're going to rip your veneer and scratch it. You should have a nice curl like this as it's coming off. There we go. You just have a look here. You've now got a little ridge now, ready to put your crossbanding on. It should be all the way down, nice and even. And now that's ready to have some crossbanding glued onto there. Okay, I'm going to show you a little piece now, which is the rear door capping. Pause it. Okay, returning back to the Royce Continental. I showed you earlier how to strip it off to create the groove ready for the new crossbanding. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the rear door capping exactly the same way. There's a bit of a curve in it. Like I said, just take your time and you'll be fine. Nice sharp chisel. There we go. Taking my time. Now this doesn't always go to plan, by the way. I've done this hundreds of times and it can still rip and make the veneer come off. Just follow it round and there we go. That's what you should be left with. You should be left with a strip that you pulled off and a nice deep groove ready for your new crossbanding. Thank you very much. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Daniel, my son, is now working with me as well, so therefore we can get your jobs processed a lot quicker. If it is that you need some help, then give us a call. The phone number for me direct is 07984495373. Thanks for watching.